Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Tree of Life Oracle by David Wells, artwork by Roberta Orpwood. It is a 44 card deck and guidebook published by Hay House. This retails for $22.99 in the US and $29.99 in Canada. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. Thank you so much to Hay House for sending this deck in the card deck club. That way I can share it with all of you. All right, so let's get into it. Drawing on the mystic tradition of Kabbalah, this oracle will help you to learn more about the nature of the universe and yourself, connecting you with your soul to fulfill your purpose. The Tree of Life is rich with symbolism, and these symbols, from astrology, tarot, and ancient alchemy, are reproduced throughout the cards. Use these mystical cards to gain a greater understanding of the path ahead. All right, well, the packaging is really pretty. I like the gold foiling there. Well, let's get into it. No two trees are alike. This is yours and yours alone. Stand tall among the stars. All right. So before we get into the cards, I just want to take a look at this guidebook to see if there's anything pertinent we need to know in order to use this deck and all that's included. So we have what is Kabbalah, the Tree of Life, and then how to use the cards. And then we do have laying out the cards and then interpretations of the cards. And they're each sectioned off. So magical forces, Sephiroth, paths, and then symbolarium. Very cool. All right, whether you want to work with Kabbalah as a way of expanding your awareness or you've simply been drawn to these beautiful cards, know that what is offered here are leaves from the Tree of Life, the symbol that sits at the heart of Kabbalah and for all intents and purposes is the core of this deck. If you choose to go deeper into the magic this deck offers you, your own personal Tree of Life will awaken, begin to blossom and bear fruit that is not forbidden but encouraged. Take as big or as little of bite as you desire. So then it goes into what is Kabbalah, and then information of the Tree of Life. Okay, and then the Sephiroth. So this is all information that I need to read up on. And then the paths. Very cool. So if you are like me, who's not very familiar with Kabbalah and all of that, this is great info to help you understand a little bit more deeper meanings of the deck. So you can use this any way you see fit. If you already have a way of using the oracle cards, use that. And if you haven't, there'll be some suggestions in here. Awesome. This deck has 44 cards in it. Each represents a section or shape of the tree, and all are brought to life through myth and legend, symbology, color, and the insanely beautiful magic that Roberta has woven into the images. 11 magical forces, 11 Sephiroth, and 22 paths. All right, we have a daily card pool, three card layout, Celtic Cross, Tree of Life spread. All right, lots of info. Okay, so this is what I was looking for because, like I said, I don't know much about this Kabbalah information, so having that in here is going to be helpful for me. All right, let's get into it. So here's the back of the cards. Very pretty. I want to call this a matte, but there is a little bit of shine. The cardstock is on the thinner side, very flexible. It doesn't directly snap back, but I actually kind of prefer a thinner cardstock like this that's flexible because of the way my hands get. Doing a really thick cardstock shuffle is hard for me. So this is just a personal thing. So I know some of you like a thicker cardstock. All right, no borders. Looks like we have the title and then some keywords down below. So I'm going to read the title out, The Tree of Life. the middle pillar, the pillar of severity, the pillar of mercy, the spiritual triangle. Oh, already this is making sense to me. Very cool. The soul triangle. The personality triangle. The element of air. Element of fire. The art is really cool. Very dynamic. Element of water. Love that. We've got the mermaids. Element of earth. I'm going to mispronounce these words, so do forgive me. Kether, the crown. Chokmah, wisdom. Binah, understanding. Very cool. Chest, mercy. Gebura, severity. The colors are really cool. Tifereth, beauty. Netzach, victory. The art is gorgeous, I have to say. It's very different. It feels very lively, vibrant, dynamic. So Hod, splendor. There's a lot of movement. Yesod, foundation. Love the little dog there. Malkuth, kingdom. Doth, knowledge. There's a lot to pick up on this. And I think if you are trying to learn about the Tree of Life, this is great to do so. 11th path, the Fool. So similar energy to the major arcana from what I saw in the book. Flipping through. 12th path, the Magician. 13th path, the High Priestess. 14th path, the Empress. 15th path, the Emperor. 16th path, the Hierophant. 17th path, the Lovers. 18th path, the Chariot. If you hear scratching, that is Walter, my dog, scratching the carpet, trying to make a nest. 19th path, Strength and Lust. 20th path, the Hermit. All the little details. Very cool. 21st path, the Wheel of Fortune. 22nd path, Justice, Adjustment. 23rd path, the Hanged Man. 24th path, Death. That's really cool. 25th path, Art or Temperance. 26th path, the Devil. 27th path, the Tower. Love that dragon. That is so cool. 28th path, the Star. Oh, that is stunning. Twenty-ninth path, the Moon. 30th path, the Sun. 31st path, Judgment or Eon. And the last card, 32nd path, the World or Universe. Very cool. I love the keywords on the card. I love the relationship to tarot there. Shuffles just fine. There is that flexibility there. Slips really nicely. Let's see this way. All right, yeah, not bad at all. Can I get a card to read, please? All right, element of air. Just a reminder. Thoughts, mind, and communication. Okay, ooh, lots of information here. All right. The King of Air, Peralta, is guardian of the East and king of the Sylphs, the elemental beings of air. The astrological air signs are Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. The magical tool is the Athame, and the archangel is Raphael. Features. Peralta shows himself as a fairy-like creature with the bluest of eyes and wings like a dragonfly, or sometimes like a large white cloud. Here he is with his sylphs. Their role is communication, words, and sending a fresh breeze to clear the mind. That's so cool. I love that they describe the art that's going on in the card as well. So guidance. Words, thoughts, communication, language. Distinctly human gifts that have so many blessings and curses. Literally. When this card appears, you're being asked where you can use your airy nature. Not just your words, but your lightness of being in a world that can often feel heavy, tying you down rather than allowing you to fly. You could have a choice to make that's playing on your mind, and regardless of your astrological sun sign, the influence of any Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius planets could be helping or hindering. As air bends to create sound, you are being asked to use its magic to bend things to your will. Perhaps you're being called to write a book of poetry, prose, fiction, or nonfiction, write a play, or offer up another of air's gifts to lighten or enlighten. Take ownership of any bright ideas that come your way now, for such is the nature of this element that anything left unsaid or not acted on will be blown into the next willing mind. Activate. When you feel mind fog settling in, oh my gosh, does it ever with me? Take yourself out to a windy day. Feeling anything from a gentle breeze to a howling wind will clear your mind. If that's all too much, do some cloud gazing. Watch as the element of air gently pushes the clouds away. Oh, and that was it. Okay, I really, really like this. I love all of the information that is given here. I think there is something for everybody in this deck, even if you do not understand the Tree of Life, not really that knowledgeable, this is brand new to you. This is definitely something that you can utilize. It feels very beginner friendly. The artwork is stunning. I love that there's just so much to see in every card. The keywords on the bottom of the card too will help if you are feeling blocked or you're not sure where to go with this. I love the explanations of where the Tree of Life is relative to the energy here. That's so cool. Yeah, all in all, I am very excited to get to know this. I think there's value in here. The price tag is not a bad price tag. The quality of the cards, I'm not mad at all. Like I said, I tend to gravitate toward a thinner cardstock, but I understand those of you who like a thicker one, but I think that this is definitely a beautiful deck to add to your collection if you are interested or intrigued. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I'm going to turn it over to you guys now to see what you think. Is this something that you're excited about? Is this something that you're going to pass on? Or are you still unsure? I'm going to take a minute to kind of see whether you vibe with it. Or do you already have it? Did you get it in your card deck club box and are enjoying it? Let me know all of your thoughts down below in the comments. And if you've made it this far in the video, drop an evil eye emoji to let me know you have. Thank you again for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. And thank you again for Hay House for sending the Card Deck Club my way to share with you all. Have a wonderful rest of your day. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.